Hi guys, welcome back to Raziya and Jikoni. Today we shall be making instant naan. We'll need 5 cups of all-purpose flour, quarter teaspoon baking soda, 2 teaspoon baking powder leveled, 1.5 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, half a glass plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon margarine. We're gonna take in the dry ingredients and mix them in the flour. Mix it up and make a well in the middle. Add in 2 teaspoons of yeast and some water for it to start activating. Cover it up. After 5 minutes, you will see the frothy looking yeast on the top. You'll add in your yogurt. And your margarine and knead it with lukewarm water until we get a soft dough. We'll make portions and roll them up into bowls. You'll get at least 8 to 10 naans out of 5 cups of flour. You can either make it thicker or thin naan, whichever that you like. After rolling them up, we shall cook them under medium heat. Heat your pan and put in your naan. As you see the bubbles on the top, we'll flip it. And you shall see the golden brown look on the top. To cook it through, we're going to flip it back on the other side. And to give it a shine, we are going to put some margarine and spread it on the top, or butter. And voila, your naan is ready. Instant, soft naan. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.